I'm introducing a brand new qualification. It's a qualification in Agile and in change management. The reason it's being created is that it's designed to bridge the gap between those who have studied on the theories, the models, the methodology of Agile project management or change management, or in fact both, and those who are looking for the practical application. The thing that we're all looking for from any training course is how to use this in practice, how to make the techniques work. So effectively what we've designed is a qualification where you get to practice, and you get a qualification in the fact that you've got this Agile and change ability. There are two main parts to the course. The first looks at the structural aspects of how you manage change. So we're interested in a roadmap that sets out all of the Agile techniques and looks at how they are applied throughout the life cycle, so that what we're delivering is an Agile approach. It's iterative, it's an evolving solution, it builds on one aspect of change leading into the next. So you've got all of the concepts and principles of Agile, but it's showing how you are developing a change, how you are creating new ways of working. The crucial thing is it brings together both the delivery from the project management side and the behavioural change, the new ways of working from the change management side. In that structural piece, we also look at the business case and what business value really means. So we understand that value drives prioritisation, which is how we decide what comes first, what comes next in an Agile world. So there are lots of techniques and lots of checklists and questionnaires to help you discover what the real business value is of the initiative that you're working with. So we do that roadmap and we do business value. And then in the second part of the course, we turn our attention to using techniques for creating the kind of relationship building, the positive, trust-based partnerships that are so essential to Agile. Agile is fundamentally based on collaboration, but it's easy to say and not that easy to do. So we look at all the techniques for relationship building that will really help. And we also look at the kind of culture. Now, I'm not suggesting that it's part of our jobs to change the entire culture of an organisation, but what we do look at is how do you build an environment that encourages, inspires, motivates and supports people during change, because it's that kind of approach that will enable them to keep going through the multiple continuous changes that we see today, the high volume of changes. So it's very practical in terms of how do we give that support that minimises resistance to change and change fatigue. So all in all, it's covering all the aspects of what we need to get the job done. And I'm really, really proud of it. It's based on my book, Agile Change Management. It's a 2-day course and it's a really great event because for 2 days you are practicing, you are doing and you are learning. Thanks.